It's a really sad and somewhat bizarre situation.
April 10th in Fort Collins, a fight over the phone between Rosanetta McCall and Ron Matthews escalates. Accusations of cheating turn into a threat of suicide from McCall, complete with a picture of a gun she had that Matthews owned.
To me, what's really amplified is this was an issue between these two parents that completely could have been avoided.
Court documents say McCall later told officers she moved the gun from the bedroom closet to the bathroom, placing it in between the toilet and bathtub.
And she alleged she covered it up with clothes.
When 6-year-old Roy Summer went to take a shower,
the detective said he didn't see any clothes.
He found the gun and shot himself in the head. 9 News legal analyst Whitney Traylor calls it improper storage.
But even if you had put clothes there, that is not, in my opinion, going to be proper storage of a weapon, of a loaded gun.
McCall faces charges of unlawful storage of a firearm and, more seriously, child abuse, knowingly or recklessly causing death. It's not the first child abuse charge for either parent. In February, court documents show McCall was charged with child abuse and DUI, though why is unclear. 1 month earlier, Matthews was charged with domestic violence and child abuse after allegedly pointing a gun at McCall and the kids. Traylor says it's up to the courts to determine whether the children were protected.
So if there's a series of charges of child abuse for whatever reason, the question is going to be, why hasn't social services been involved? Because when those charges are made, they're immediately alerted. So, and at what point should the children have possibly been taken out of the home because it was an unsafe situation?
Now, the 6-year-old boy's death was ruled accidental. Matthews was not present when the shooting happened. He is the stepfather, and he was not present because of that January domestic violence incident. Right now, he's facing charges of attempting to influence a public servant and tampering with evidence after he deleted text messages between himself and McCall. He could face more charges because of the guns he told police he owns, guns he is not allowed to have after the domestic violence charge from the early 2000s, Corey.
This story is incredibly sad. All right, Darius, thank you.